In a quiet town, Maya discovered an old canvas in her grandmother's attic. As she brushed off the dust, vibrant colors emerged, revealing a hidden world. Each stroke of her brush unveiled stories of women who had overcome immense challenges. Inspired, Maya painted her own journey, capturing her struggles and triumphs. Her art became a beacon of hope, encouraging women in her community to embrace their strength and resilience. The canvas, once forgotten, now celebrated the power of women to transform their lives and the world around them.